Hello kids. Hello everyone. These two are my UKG kids. Kids now will learn a very interesting topic from EVS, that is animal sounds. Say animal sounds. Animal sounds. Okay, so we'll learn how different animal makes different sounds. Okay, different animals, they make different sounds. So we'll learn what sounds they make. Okay, see, dog, bow bow. Dog, bow bow. Cat, meow, meow, meow. Yes, then horse, neigh, neigh. Yes, then sheep, ba, ba. Yes, duck, quack, 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 quack. Yes, then cow, moo, moo. I'm not able to make it exactly. Okay, honeybees, buzz, buzz. Yes, buzz. Yes. Then pig, oink oink. I don't know exactly. Okay, then birds, tweet tweet, tweet tweet. Yes. Then what we have, hen, hen, cock. What they make? Kukudu coo, kukudu coo. Okay, see, their sounds are so nice to listen. Okay, I'll show you the video of that now. Okay, so you watch it. Okay kids, now we'll listen to different sounds of different animals. Okay, you're ready? Excited to listen? Okay, come on, watch it and listen to it. See here. Play please. Just press this. Nice. This is cat. Cat says what? Meow. Meow meow. Yes. Dog. Yes. This is dog. Dog says what? Bow bow. You also repeat. Cow. Yes. Jason is getting. Cow. What sound it makes? Yes. Then hen. Yes, Jason is so happy to listen to all the sounds. Yes, Jason, Jonathan. Then sheep. See. Ba, ba. Yes, sheep sound. Ba. Horse, they neigh, right? Horse, what they say? Repeat. You also repeat.